Hello everybody, this is Ralph Martin, the CEO of the Affiliate Resource, and in this video I want to talk about an awesome video software program called Screencast O Matic. And right now we're on my review page on my blog, reading my review. If you click on the link below this video, you can read my full review on Screencast O Matic. I'm actually using it right now in one of the versions where I'm sharing the screen and I have my my video embedded into the actual review. There are actually three versions of this particular piece of software. There is a free version and two paid versions, and I'll talk about in detail what those are. Right now, there's three modes. You can have just the screen share. You can have the screen share with your picture where I'm at right now, or you can have just you as the video. And right now I can go to just the screen share without little Ralph. I just took away him. And I can also click on and you can look at Big Ralph, and you can do just live videos. And we'll go back to the screen share and talk about my review. What I'll do is switch over to the website at Screencast O Matic to show you the different options that are available. There's a Solo Deluxe option for $1.50 a month that is billed yearly. There's a Solo Premier option at $4 a month billed yearly. And then there's a free version. We'll go to our comparison chart. The free version, one of the limiting factors on the free version really is the record length of the video. You're limited to 15 minutes. I was a free member for a long time. I did a lot of videos as a free member. I just really wanted to get longer than 15 minutes. I decided to do some training videos, so I was going over that length of time. And the other thing is, in the free version, you have the Screencast O Matic emblem, I think, in the left-hand corner of your videos. In both of the upgraded packages, you don't see that particular emblem or logo for Screencast O Matic. And as you can see in the two paid versions, you have 18 features for both the paid version, 9 features on the recorder features. Then you go down to the video editing features. You don't really have a lot of video editing with the free version, but on the paid versions you get a lot of editing tools where you can merge videos and that sort of thing. And then the only other difference between the two paid versions between the two is that you get more bandwidth. You get 100 gigabytes versus 2 gigabytes of bandwidth. With the Solo Deluxe, or I'm sorry, the Premier upgraded version, which is $4 a month. I'm a Premier member, and I've been a Premier member for a while now. I do a lot of videos for my blog. So if you click on the link below, you can read the review like I said. The other thing I wanted to talk about is when you're done with the video, you have an option to either download the video to a file on your computer as an MP4, or you can upload the video to a cloud version of Screencast O Matic where you have access to your videos on their cloud-based program. You don't actually have to download Screencast O Matic to use it. You can use the video software actually online. I have actually downloaded it, and I use the video software downloaded on my computer, but you could do one or the other. Sometimes when I want to do a quick video, I just go online and do the video real quick and then upload it to YouTube. Most of the time I download it to a file so I can rename it for SEO purposes. If you rename your video, that helps in the SEO rankings if you name it as your keyword. If you want to learn more about that, you can take my free bonus. If you read the article on my blog, there is a free bonus where you can get an online guide in affiliate marketing. There's a 10-lesson online course on how to earn an awesome income through affiliate marketing. With that comes with you get 2 free hosted websites And when I mean free, I mean actually free. You don't have to put your credit card details in. You could just simply create a username and get access directly to those 10 lesson video and text courses. There's quite a bit of value in that. And I highly recommend trying that and get your 2 free hosted websites to use as you go along with the training. That's the free bonus for checking this out. It'll teach you how to rank videos. It'll teach you how to rank blog articles, how to create a website. You can actually create a website in about 30 seconds. It's a great training. I highly recommend it. So go ahead, click on the link below, read the article, claim your free bonuses. And this is Ralph Martin signing out. You make it a great day.